Using TurboTax for small businesses. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use TurboTax for small businesses. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, first of all, a general idea here is that it doesn't matter whether it is a small business or a big business or a self-employed person or a freelancer going through filing the taxes in TurboTax. If you go to Google and then you type in using TurboTax for small businesses, this is the first link that you'll find how to file federal income taxes for small businesses. So if I click on this, let's say what we got over here, it will give us an in-depth article to collect our records, which will walk you through the process of collecting the records, finding out the right forms such as W2 form, 1099 form, or other sort of forms that are available for TurboTax, and similarly filling out those forms respectively. So as I said, it doesn't really matter whether it is a small business or a big business. Now, once you go through this process, you will have a little bit of depth idea of what paying taxes is all about. Then you can go to turbotax.com and you have to fill in the federal taxes as well as the state taxes. And after that, it will review the taxes for you automatically. So this way you can review your TurboTax for small businesses. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.